Good evening, YouTube. This is Financial Freedom with Velvet. I'm coming on here to make a video about. It's gonna be titled "Coin Out More Receipts," because I have more receipts to upload, and I want to show you guys exactly how to upload your receipts and how it works. Okay, so we're gonna go into the app. This app does pay out through PayPal. Um, I don't need to. What the heck? I'm not signing up. Okay, I'm so confused. 407 305. Oops, not 305. See, I thought it was gonna have me starting over from zero. I was about to start flipping out. Okay, so as you can see, I have 66 cents here. Um, this is where you can come if you want to share your link. I'm just gonna show you guys where to find everything, so you'll know if you decide to join or sign up. And also, you guys, real quick, get ready because by the end of next week, I'm gonna be with that new opportunity. I know I said it, but like I said, saving up for it is not. It hasn't been really like coming along the way I wanted to, but I will be a part of it by in the next week. So please just get ready because okay. So this is where you find your link. You just go to share and earn, and you get click on get link, and it'll pop up your referral link. Will pop up right here. Okay. Okay. So this is where your balance is. It says I have 66 cents. We're gonna click on the dollar sign here, and when you're gonna go here, and it's gonna your phone number is gonna pop up. This is where you're gonna find out where you can cash out at. Okay. So right now, these are all the receipts that I have uploaded. Okay. Right now, I'm gonna upload more. So remember, I said with the gift card in the bank, you can withdraw whatever amount, but you have to earn a minimum of $10 to cash out to PayPal. Okay. I believe it said a minimum of $10 to cash out to PayPal. Okay. So if I wanted to cash out 66 cents, I could, but I'm choosing not to because I want to make this go up higher. Okay, so what we're going to do, start scanning some receipts here. And I'm going to sit here in the light so you guys can see this. Let me get this receipt already here. 1 second, you guys. Okay, so hit scan. And you're going to take off, see how the flashlights, you're going to turn that flashlight on. And you're going to line it up as best as you can. And then you're going to hit this. And there you go. and you're going to hit submit. Make sure the flash is on when you take the picture so it'll at least be clear enough. Let's see how many points I get for this one. Okay, 1 cent. I earned 1 cent for that. So that, once you upload the receipt, you can either keep it or throw it away. It doesn't matter. But here's another one I'm going to upload. And most of these receipts I did today. I got today. So, remember to take the flash, turn the flash on, and line it up as best as you can. Take the picture. Okay, that needs to be retaken. Okay, hold on. Let's see here if I can get a little bit closer. Yeah. Flash on. Let me take it one more time. Flash on, and then hold on 1 second, you guys. All right, you guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I just had to take a phone call real quick. But let's submit this and see what happens. Make sure you get a clear picture of the receipt. They want it as clear as it can be. So, let's see here. 2 cents. I mean, I know it sounds like a little bit of chump change, but look, it's better than nothing. All right, so we're going to do another one here. I keep my receipts. Now that I know about apps that you can scan and get PayPal cash for, I keep my receipts, you guys. I tell you that much. I always keep. Anytime I buy, especially a store that'll take any receipt, doesn't have to be a certain type of receipt, they'll take it. Oh, yeah. So, here we're going to go again. Scan. Remember to turn the flash on. Get as close to the receipt as possible. And hit that. See? Submit. This shows you guys proof that this works. I haven't cashed out yet because I want to get to $10 actually. I'm being honest. That's what I want to do. So I have 8 cents to see how 77 cents. Okay, so let's do another one. I have a lot of receipts, you guys. Save your receipts after you go grocery shopping. You really should save your receipts, you guys. Trust me. It's worth it. Okay, I don't need that one. Hold on. Hold on, you guys. Hold on. This is another one. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, let me see. We don't need that. Okay, so we're going to take a picture of a Ralph's receipt, okay? Now what you want to do, turn the flash on, get as close to it as possible, and then hit the flash. Okay, now let's submit it, see what happens. $0.01. See? I mean, I know you guys are probably like, why are you not going for the $10? Why are you just, I'm going for $10, you guys. If you upload receipts every day, because I go to the store every day. If you upload receipts every day, I am telling you. Okay, here's another one we're about to do. This one's a really small one, so we got to get really super close. And there we go. Okay. Take a picture of that, see what happens. You can throw your receipts away after you take a picture of them. You don't have to keep them. See, I got 80 cents. This adds up if you're doing it every day, you guys. And there is a limit. I'm not sure what the limit is, but there is a limit on how many receipts you can scan a day. Just letting you know. And here's a Taco Bell receipt. I'm going to try my best to get a really good, clear picture of this one for you guys. Here you go. Okay, let's try to get it clear. Alright, let's try to get as clear as this is possible. Let me retake that because this part's all. Let me take it again. Bear with me, you guys. Just trying to get this to be. There we go. Okay, that's going to be even better. Okay, turn off the flash. Turn the flash on. And you want to get as close as possible to the receipt. There you go. Now submit it. Okay? Not hard, you guys. This is so easy. See? I got 2 cents. Okay? I have another receipt. I know you guys are like, wow, how many receipts do you have? Yeah, I have a lot of receipts, you guys. There's a Walmart receipt. Turn the flash on. Get up close and personal here, and then take it. And submit. You can throw your receipts away when you're done with them. You don't have to keep them because, oh shoot, my bad. I just ripped my receipt. Accident. No. Okay. Oh no. I hope this works. Hold on. It's not gonna work. Dang it. Okay. Oh, let's see. We have one more receipt here. Hold on, you guys.